There is a Japan beyond Tokyo's neon lights, a realm far removed from the dazzling displays and bustling cityscapes that often define it. It's a land of contrasts, where ancient traditions pulse through daily life, coexisting harmoniously with the modern world. Temples stand tall against backdrops of skyscrapers, a testament to the enduring spirit of the past, and nature's drama unfolds in silence. Majestic mountains pierce the sky, serene forests whisper ancient secrets, and dramatic coastal cliffs stand as silent sentinels against the crashing waves. Here, the curious traveler finds more than guidebooks can offer, a journey that transcends the ordinary and ventures into the extraordinary. Secret islands, villages frozen in time, and places even locals whisper about. These are the hidden gems, the untold stories etched into the very fabric of the land. In these hidden corners, the true spirit of Japan reveals itself. In the rustle of bamboo, a symphony of nature's whispers, the crash of waves, a powerful reminder of the ocean's untamed spirit, or the gaze of a thousand-year-old statue. A silent observer of history, a beacon of enduring wisdom. This is a journey into the heart of the unseen, a discovery of treasures hiding in plain sight. It's about peeling back the layers and uncovering the authentic soul of Japan. Join me as we uncover extraordinary locations, each with a story to tell. We'll meet island rabbits, walk wind-sculpted deserts, and wander towns untouched by the modern age. Places where time seems to stand still, preserving the essence of a bygone era. This is exploration for those seeking a deeper connection to Japan. Welcome to 10 Hidden Gems. Add these to your bucket list. Your journey into the heart of Japan's best-kept secrets begins now. Our journey begins on Okunoshima, a small island nestled in the inland sea of Japan. This is a place that was once deliberately erased from maps, shrouded in secrecy and hidden from the world's view. Its very existence was intentionally obscured. This erasure was due to its dark and unsettling wartime past, when it served as a clandestine chemical weapons factory, a place where deadly toxins were manufactured. The skeletal ruins of those poison gas plants still stand as haunting monuments, silent and weathered reminders of a history that should never be forgotten, a stark lesson etched in concrete and rust. But nature, in its relentless and restorative power, has begun to reclaim Okunoshima in a truly remarkable and unexpected way. Today, the island is no longer defined by its past, but is instead ruled by hundreds of wild rabbits, a fluffy, gentle army that has taken over. They roam freely through the crumbling ruins, exploring the remnants of the past and hopping playfully along the coast. Their origins are shrouded in a bit of mystery and are often debated. Some speculate that they are the descendants of test subjects used in the island's former chemical experiments, while others believe that school children visiting the island in the 1970s brought them as pets, and they subsequently multiplied. Regardless of their true lineage, the rabbits are now the island's gentle and furry rulers, fearlessly approaching visitors with curiosity and a hopeful expectation of treats. To walk here, on this island of contrasts, is to experience a living paradox, a tangible representation of opposing forces. You're surrounded by the scars of conflict and the echoes of a dark past, yet that darkness is softened and overshadowed by the innocence and gentle nature of these curious creatures. The simple act of feeding the rabbits among the crumbling concrete structures becomes a surprisingly moving encounter with resilience, a testament to life's ability to flourish even in the most unlikely of places. Okunoshima's incredible transformation, from a factory of death and destruction to a sanctuary of life and peace, is a powerful and inspiring story of hope and rebirth. It's a testament to the enduring power of nature to heal wounds, reclaim what was lost, and surprise us with unexpected beauty. This unforgettable island where history and nature intertwine is a living lesson in renewal, a place where the past and present converge in a truly unique and captivating way. Japan is world-renowned for its vibrant cities and serene temples, but it's not particularly known for deserts. Yet surprisingly, the Tottori sand dunes exist, stretching for 16 kilometers along the coast of the Sea of Japan. It's a miniature Sahara, an unexpected landscape sculpted by the relentless forces of wind and the constant ebb and flow of water. These dunes are very much alive, constantly shifting and changing shape with every gust of wind. The peaks rise dramatically, reaching heights of up to 50 meters, offering stunning panoramic views. Here, the golden sand meets the deep blue sea in a breathtaking contrast of colors and textures. For the adventurous, You can sandboard down the steep slopes, feeling the rush of adrenaline as you glide down the sandy hills, or you can experience the dunes in a more relaxed way by riding camels, adding to the surreal and somewhat out-of-place magic of this unique location. And nearby, the Sand Museum stands as a testament to human creativity, showcasing monumental sculptures. These impressive works of art are meticulously crafted from the very sand that makes up the dunes outside. Each year, talented artists from around the globe come together to create these ephemeral masterpieces, destined to eventually return to the earth from which they came, making their beauty all the more fleeting and precious. The Tottori Dunes serve as a powerful reminder of Japan's surprising and often overlooked geographical diversity. Here, nature's artistry is on full and magnificent display, a testament to the power of natural forces. It's a stark contrast, far removed from the country's more commonly seen green forests and mountainous landscapes. To stand atop these majestic dunes, feeling the soft sand beneath your feet, is to witness a truly hidden masterpiece, a secret gem nestled on Japan's western shore, offering an unforgettable experience. While Kyoto draws crowds, Kanazawa quietly preserves the elegance of old Japan. Untouched by wartime bombing, its historic districts remain intact, a living world of samurai, geisha, and artisans. In Higashi-chaya, wooden tea houses line cobbled streets where the sound of shamisen and glimpses of geisha linger at dusk. Kanazawa's legacy as the Maida clan's seat is everywhere, from gold leaf ice cream to exquisite crafts. The Nagamachi district's samurai homes and tranquil gardens offer a window into disciplined, aesthetic lives. Unlike Kyoto, Kanazawa's slower pace invites deeper discovery. Here, history isn't a relic, it's a vibrant, breathing part of daily life. Kanazawa is a true hidden gem for those seeking the soul of old Japan. Some places echo with the sudden silence of vanished lives, none more haunting than Hashima or Gunkanjima, the Battleship Island. Once a coal mining hub and one of the world's most densely populated places, it's now a concrete fortress abandoned to the elements. Thousands lived here in high-rise blocks with schools, shops, and cinemas packed onto a tiny rock. When the mine closed in 1974, the island emptied overnight, leaving a ghost town frozen in time. Nature is reclaiming the ruins battered by salt winds and typhoons. Gunkanjima's dystopian landscape even starred in a James Bond film. To visit is to confront the impermanence of human ambition. It's a monument to a lost community and a stark warning from the past. Floating off Nagasaki, Gunkanjima is unforgettable. In Okinawa's Yaeyama Islands, Taketomi moves to a different rhythm, one set by sun, tides, and the steady gait of water buffalo. The village is a living museum of Ryukyu culture with red-tiled houses, coral stone walls, and streets paved with white coral sand. Visitors travel by water buffalo carts serenaded by local storytellers playing the sanshin. Beyond the village, beaches like Kondoi and Kaiji offer turquoise waters and star-shaped sand. Life here is about simplicity and connection, progress measured in peace, not speed. Taketomi is a sanctuary preserving heritage over development. Sometimes the greatest luxury is slowing down and listening to old songs. This is a timeless escape. Deep in the Japanese Alps, Shirakawa-go is a fairy-tale village famed for its gashozukuri farmhouses, steep thatched roofs resembling hands in prayer. Built without nails, these homes withstand heavy snow and showcase centuries of ingenious design. Once isolated, the village fostered a strong sense of community, with neighbors gathering to rethatch roofs in a spirit called yui. Each season transforms Shirakawa-go lush green in summer, fiery in autumn, and magical under winter snow. Wandering here reveals a deep harmony between people and nature. Some farmhouses are still homes, others welcome guests as inns or museums. Shirakawa-go is a living testament to resilience and tradition. It's a journey into a quieter, more harmonious past, a true storybook escape. Beyond Mount Fuji's fame, Mount Nokogiri in Chiba offers drama and serenity. Its jagged cliffs, carved by centuries of quarrying, create breathtaking open-air cathedrals of stone. Trails lead to Hell's Peak, a vertigo-inducing viewpoint, and through a landscape shaped by both industry and nature. The mountain is also sacred, home to the ancient Nihonji temple and over 1,500 Arhat statues. The crowning glory is the 31-meter Great Buddha, carved into the cliff, a tranquil giant few tourists know. Here, adventure and spirituality blend without crowds. Mount Nokogiri is a place to contemplate both human ambition and divine art. It's exhilarating and deeply moving. In Fukushima's mountains, Ouchi-juku preserves a vision of old Japan. Once a post town on a feudal trade route, its main street is lined with thatched roof buildings and free of modern trappings. Walking here feels like stepping into the past, a living community where heritage is a conscious choice. Water channels run along the street and the air is filled with wood smoke and quiet voices. Try the local specialty, negisoba buckwheat noodles eaten with a leek instead of chopsticks. Climb to the temple viewpoint for a stunning panorama of the village. Ouchi-juku is a fragile link to Japan's past, alive with the spirit of old trade routes, its authenticity preserved. In the Seto Inland Sea, Naoshima has transformed from a fading island to a world-class art destination. Art is everywhere, on the shore, in museums, and woven into daily life. The iconic yellow pumpkin by Yayoi Kusama greets visitors, promising wonders ahead. Museums like the Chichu Art Museum, designed by Tadao Ando, use natural light to create meditative encounters with masterpieces. The Art House project turns empty homes into immersive installations, revitalizing the community. Naoshima proves art can transform places and lives. Here, every coastline and alleyway holds inspiration. It's a journey where art and nature are inseparable. Our final stop is Aogashima, a volcanic island 200 miles south of Tokyo. The island itself is a giant caldera, with a second volcanic cone rising from its center, a geological marvel. Reaching Aogashima is an adventure, with unreliable ferries and helicopters preserving its isolation. Fewer than 200 people live here, harnessing geothermal energy for saunas and cooking. Hiking trails wind through subtropical jungle and up to the summit, offering sublime views. On clear nights, the sky explodes with stars untouched by city lights. Aogashima is raw, untamed beauty, a community shaped by its volcano. It's a place that feels both prehistoric and peaceful. To visit is to be humbled by nature's creative force. Our journey through Japan's hidden gems has revealed a land of diversity and wonder. From rabbit islands to art sanctuaries, each place tells a unique story. These 10 gems are just the beginning. Japan's secrets await those willing to look beyond the obvious. Which hidden gem will you explore first? Share your favorite in the comments and subscribe for more adventures. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, keep exploring.